agree to this, but I found some tricky ones to work with, so we're gonna do those. And I realized that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need to change that real quick. I never would agree to that. Don't worry about it. So we'll change that. Oh fuck no. Can I do ABCD for? Oh fudge no! You gotta be kidding me. You know what? Let's keep it like that. Let's make it a weird ass question. I'm never gonna agree to that, but I realize now that it's impossible for me to go fast on concepts that are impossible to recognize or even hear of. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna do practice problems, and in the hardest of them, I'm gonna make my own question about them. So this hard problem was this. Why would I ever accept that? So x squared root of 2 by, let's just say, minus 9. I'm not making the same number up because that would be discourteous to the actual problem. This is actually a problem very common to every book that I've ever seen. So it's not really being bad. I just made up few numbers. The real book has it like 25 to 5. So I'm not being evil. I'm not being or but the answer would be, let's just do a different kind of thing so it doesn't have the same effect as those, even though I'm pretty sure it will. So let's actually figure this out. So x plus 2 plus 3, so plus 3 equals 6. The answer is 6. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is practice test, and we're gonna see which one I get right. I'm gonna make my own question about it that's different from the question we have. So we have gotten this question on my test differently. It was 5 and 25 on the 3 and 9. Um, it was way different, so I don't feel bad about this, but 6 is the answer, but we'll give -6 a try. And then we'll say 5, and then we'll say 0. I mean, they might say 0. 0.0.93. That doesn't even make sense. It's not a number. I don't like that actually. 0.0, just put 0. And then we'll put 6. This is going to be the one, the harder, the answer is 6, dude. Um, and to give them a hint, we'll never agree to that. We'll put down how you get the answer, which is x plus minus 9, and then we do x plus 3. Sorry. Excuse me. We need to do that, right? And then we just, this is taking forever. X minus 3 we keep, and then we just do this, and then we do this, and then we do 3. Therefore, we have some kind of answer that kind of lose to, oh wait, these cancel each other out, so maybe 6. So the reason I put this on is because I got this thing fucking wrong last time for some godforsaken reason. That's a horrible language I used there, didn't I? I'm crying because of this TV show I'm watching while I'm doing this, so that's a little bit weird, but I'm just gonna ignore it. It doesn't work. Fudge! It means I have to do it like this. Oh, shenanigans afoot. That didn't work out. Does this work out? No, it does not. So, I know one other way to do this shit. Excuse me. And which is Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. I know one other way, which is just let's see if I have it here. I don't think there is. Alright, the one other way I was talking about is just scratching it out somewhere else. I never agreed. Actually, here's how I do it. I bring out the whole question out and put more work than I have to by why do I do this to myself? Fuck me. I'm not gonna agree to that though. Alright, so this question over here will be slashed out with doing this. And then we'll just go here to black. No, red is nicer. And then we'll do Control Shift and then press it. It will give you a beautiful red streak. I was not planning a red. I was planning a I forgot I did. I mean, I forgot it was a streak. I was planning a regular color. I mean, red color was correct, but not streak color. That sounds morbid. So we can now just delete that and hopefully doesn't ban us right away from uploading. Yep. That's funny how I said it. And then we could they can figure out that that's 6, right? Without any shabby worry, as long as they know basic math. Next thing we have here that I might have gotten wrong, I'm gonna look through it. Ooh, what's this? How do you figure out that one? Number 2. Oh, it's so funny. I can't even go to number 2 question. So what they did is to independent to 0, 0. Oh wait, La Hop is actually in Wait, La Hop rule is part of AB? When in the world? Did you know this? I did not. Okay, so shocker. So there was La Hop. I didn't realize that La Hop was in this section. And also it's actually change in slope, so I was wrong in here. And you might think that there's no difference here, but change in slope and slope is very different. Change in slope means that while you're going through, the slope is changing. If you just said slope, you mean just slope, 1 point there. So yes, it does make a difference. I was rereading the freaking textbook, and that was something. And now I'm finally opening my textbook, my prep book at least. I'm gonna sleep at 12 probably, so maybe 1 o'clock even. Anyways, I'm not gonna even say anything about it, so shut up, brain. So, yeah, I'm not sure I'm gonna agree to that, so calm down. Derivative is all about. I realize that a lot of times I forget the first few parts. That's why I'm doing the first few parts way more detail than I should. But I realized something here. The what I'm doing right now is all of AB, which is gonna be super hard. But anyway, I'm pretty sure if you have anything about class, if you listen anything about class, you know what a derivative is. So I'm not gonna put too much emphasis on it, and only have one line about it. Derivatives equal change in slope, because at this point you should know everything about that. This is a review kind of, but actually, fine. F prime of a double prime is and then f pi of this derivative second derivative and function, right? Anyways, then we have dx, and then we'll just doing something like this, and then we'll just go over here, dy, that is you know what, new equation, and then we'll just do this dx, and then we'll just do dy here like this, and then we'll cover it with my notepad here. We won't do that. Officially doing that would disturb something like dumbness. I don't know, but it's not good for my health to just throw things on the ground. You know that too. Calm down, brain, and do your job. But you already knew about me this point in time. You know I talk about nonsense all the time. At this point, if it's an hour long, it will be talking about nonsense. Even though it's just been 10 minutes. It's nonsense now. It's nonsense time. You should know this by now. dy is uh, which is derivative. Another way to do derivative. There's one other way to do derivatives I forgot. You'll come back to me. I won't. Do I remember any other ways to derivatives? Oh well. There's one more way to do second derivatives, although. Let me. I don't remember how to do the second derivative. Not the test, but oh shit. Don't worry about it. Try to figure out how I did it usually. It's yeah D2. This is a weird one where you have to do D2 over here, and I don't question it, just memorize that, and then oh shit, I got this one wrong. It's actually Y and the X on the bottom. Fuck, I should have known that because drew this slope, therefore. Oh, good. You see, this is the small stuff that you get on the test that I forget. Actually, tomorrow today I'm gonna take the practice test and see what I get. Actually, but I found something interesting that every test will have, and it's a problem that's obviously easy to some people. It's basically getting a derivative, but with limits. Because the first unit always has this shenanigans, and mean value theorem is something you have to learn also. It's the first unit that always gets everyone, including me. But I've been lazy and been slacking. As you can see, 11 minutes not good enough. Whew. You see, this is how I track my studying. So today I haven't studied a lot enough at all. Let's see what happens tomorrow.